Today we are discussing about structure of female reproductive system. Female reproductive system. This female reproductive system, it consists of primary sex organ, that primary sex organ is known as ovary. So ovary in case of females is acting as a primary sex organ. In case of males, it's acting as male's testes is acting as a primary sex organ. The other parts are also there. So other parts of female reproductive system are like we have fallopian tubes, or we can also call them as oviducts. Then we have the next part, that is the uterus, which can be also called as mother's womb. The next part we have is the vagina, and it's also having the association of certain ducts. We will also study these ducts which are associated with the female reproductive system. So the female reproductive system is consisting of primary sex organ, that is the ovary. Then other parts are also present there, like we have fallopian tube, like we have a uterus, then after we have the vagina, and we have some ducts also associated with the female reproductive system. We will also study them one by one. Let's take the first part of a female reproductive system, that is the ovary. Now taking this ovary, or ovaries we have, the ovaries are located pelvic region in the abdominal cavity. So taking the ovaries where they are located in the body, they are located in the pelvic region. They are located in the pelvic region of the abdominal cavity. So these ovaries are also located in abdominal cavity. We have a right and a left ovary. So the female also consists of the two ovaries. One is the right ovary and the left ovary. So these ovaries are located in the pelvic region, that in this region, in the abdominal region they are present. These ovaries are suspended. Ovaries are suspended in the abdominal cavity. In the abdominal cavity with the help of mesovarium. Now if anybody asks you what mesovarium is, it is simply a connection. It provides the ovary connection, so it links ovaries. Ovaries are linked to abdominal wall. So we can see this mesovarium, it links or it connects or it binds the ovaries with the abdominal wall. This mesovarium. So we can say the ovaries are suspended inside the abdominal cavity, but they remain associated with they remain binded with the abdominal wall with the help of a connection. That connection is known as a mesovarium. Take the ovaries. The ovaries are about 8 centimeter long and 5 centimeter wide. So whenever you have to check the length or the width of the ovaries, they are 8 centimeter long and 5 centimeter they are wide. Now we will first take the complete structure of the female reproductive system. Then we will study all those parts one by one which are associated with the female reproductive system. Now let's have the whole structure of the female reproductive system, what it consists of. Now the first thing which is present here, we know about it, is the ovary. See, this is the ovary here, which is the one ovary, and this is another ovary located here. Now these ovaries, they are linked to, say, for instance, if I am making here a, say this is a uterus here, if I am making here, roughly, say this is a uterus here, for instance, and we have, these are the ovaries. Now these ovaries, they are connected to the uterus wall as well. They are interlinked with the help of an ovarian ligament. So you can make here the connection between the ovaries and the uterine wall. We call this connection is known as ovarian ligaments. These ligaments, they maintain the position of the ovary in abdominal cavity. Now after that, we have a presence of fallopian tubes. If I am making these, are the fallopian tubes. So this is one fallopian tube, and this is another one. So these are the fallopian tubes. Now these fallopian tubes, at its ends, have a finger-like projections. So these are the finger-like projections. If I am making them, a finger-like projections. So this is the structure of the female reproductive system. Then after we are here, a presence of, so this is a uterus, complete one, this is complete one is a uterus. Then after we have a presence of cervix region of the uterus. Then after we have the presence of vagina. See, for this I am making here is a vagina, this portion. So this is a vagina here. Now, this is a vaginal opening. This vaginal opening is surrounded by a thin membrane that is known as a hymen. Now, taking the female reproductive system, it consists of, this is an ovary, you have to keep in mind, this is an ovary. Now, this ovary is also connected with this abdominal wall. See, this here is a mesovarium, you have to keep in mind, which connects it with the abdominal wall. So this connection is known as mesovarium. Now this complete structure is known as a fallopian tube, but this fallopian tube is having the various parts. The part which is having the finger-like projections, it is known as a fimbriae. These finger-like projections are known as a fimbriae, and this region is known as, this first region is known as infundibulum. Infundibulum. Then after we have the middle broader portion, we call this middle broader portion as ampulla, where the fertilization takes place, that means the egg fuses with the sperm in this ampulla region. Then after we have this region which is connected to the uterus, is the isthmus. So these are the various parts of the fallopian tube. So fallopian tube is consisting of fimbriae, that means the finger-like fluids which are present in the infundibulum, which receives the egg from the ovary. That fimbriae part, they receive the egg from the ovary, then it's put into the infundibulum. Then we have the ampulla, which is a broader region. Then we have isthmus, which gets connected with the uterus. Now this part is known as the uterus. So this is the uterus here, this complete one is known as the uterus. But you have to keep in mind, this topmost part is known as the fundus. And this middle portion, broader portion, is known as the body. So this is the body of the uterus where the actual implantation takes place. Then after we are here a region known as the cervix. It's what we call a narrower part of the uterus, that is the cervix. This cervix is also having openings. This is an internal opening and this is an external opening here. We call this internal opening as internal orifice. Internal orifice, or even short form of OS, and this is known as external orifice, or you can short form of OS. Then after we have the region located here, this region is known as a vagina. This is a vagina, and this region which is surrounding, this is a thin membrane which is surrounding the vagina, through which we can have a female virginity. The female virginity can be checked. This is known as a hymen. Hymen is a thin membrane which surrounds the opening of the vagina, and this hymen actually is a sign for the virginity of the female. So we have the various parts of the female reproductive system which we have discussed. The first one we have is the ovaries, which are actually acting as a primary sex organ. These ovaries are linked with the uterine wall with the helopapa, ovarian ligaments, linked with the abdomen with the helopapa, mesovarium. Thereafter we have oviduct, or we can also call it a fallopian tube. This fallopian tube is having various parts. It's having an infundibulum, which is associated with a finger-like projection known as a femore. Thereafter it's having a broader into the ampulla, where actual fertilization takes place. Then it's having the part which is associated with the uterus, known as the isthmus. And uterus is which is also known as the mother's womb. This uterus, it consists of fundus. It's also having what we call the body, where actual the implantation takes place. Thereafter we have the cervix part. The cervix is the narrower part of the uterus. The cervix is having two openings. One is the internal orifice and second one is the external orifice. And then after we have the vagina. This vagina is surrounded by a hymen, a thin membrane, through which the virginity can be checked. Now this uterus is also having the three membranes. The external membrane is known as perimeterium. It is known as a perimeterium. The external membrane is known as a perimeterium. Then after it's having one more membrane, that is middle one. We call that middle membrane as myometerium. So this is here the middle one. This is known as myometerium. Then after it's having an internal one, which is a thick one. So this one is an internal one. This red one more I am making. This one is known as myometerium. Endometerium. This is the endometerium, which is located on the inner side of the uterus. So uterus is covered by three coverings. The external one is a perimeterium, then middle one is a myometerium, then internal one is a endometerium. This endometerium is very thick one, which I have made here, very thick covering, which is present inside the uterus. So this is all about the structure of female reproductive system. Now tomorrow we'll take a first part in detail, that will be ovary.